Installing an electric fireplace from Evolution Fires is quick and easy. Every product includes hardware needed for a simple installation. First, carefully unpack the fireplace and remove the mounting bracket, which is screwed to the back of the fireplace. Then, using the supplied fitting kit, fix the mounting bracket to the wall. Once the bracket is in place, hang the fireplace onto the bracket. The next step is to place the crystals onto the media bed. If your model includes a log set, simply place these on top of the crystals. The final step is installing the front glass screen. Firstly, remove the 4 screws which are fitted into the fireplace. Unpack the glass screen and carefully place it into the bottom tray of the fireplace. Push backwards until the 4 tabs on the glass screen line up with the screw holes. Then screw in the 4 screws which were removed. And there you go! It could not be any easier. A beautiful floating fireplace to enhance your home. Switch on, sit back, and relax. The whole process should take less than an hour.